This is a conversation between Mrs. Smith and her daughter Lucy. When her daughter Lucy gets home from school, Mrs. Smith is in the kitchen making cakes.
Mom, I am home.
How was school? How did you do on the test?
School was fine, and my test score was great. Mom, I was so nervous about that test, but now I feel great. How wonderful.
That makes me happy. You've been working so hard on your studies for the past few weeks. You can now take it easy and enjoy life.
What are you going to make? It smells wonderful.
I am baking cakes. This is the carrot cake you like best.
It looks good to eat. There are also muffins over there. You were busy, weren't you?
Yes, tomorrow, Jeff has to bring something to school, so he should eat those muffins. Don't mess with them.
I would like a piece of carrot cake, please. Right now, I want to enjoy life.
You don't want to wait till after dinner?
It looks good, and I'm sure it tastes great. I don't want to wait, though. Mom, can I?
Okay, go on.
Did you see the new recipe that Today Cooking put on their website? I think the name of the pie was Scrumptious Pie.
No, I did not. I would like to try that recipe, though. Your dad loves pie.
So do I.
So does Jeff. Everyone in our family loves pie.
When do you want to try out the new recipe? I also want to learn, should we make a pie with cherries or with apples?
Let's make a cherry pie, since it's cherry season. Tomorrow, I will get some cherries at the store, and when you get home from school, in the afternoon, we can start baking.
I have a science project to finish, and I won't get home until 3:30. Mom, is it too late to begin baking? If that's the case, you can begin without me.
3:30 p.m. is fine. I will start making dinner early, and by the time you get home, I will have everything ready for our baking session.
Mom, check to see if we have enough sugar and eggs. It looks like you used a lot of sugar and eggs today to make the muffins and cakes.
Don't worry, we still have more than enough sugar and eggs to make at least 10 pies.
10 pies, huh? Even though 10 seems like a good number, let's not go too far. Let's instead make 9.5 pies.
Alright, tomorrow we will make 9.5 pies. No more, no less.
It's settled.
Enough about how to make pies. I need to get started on making dinner for tonight. It's already 3 o'clock. Your dad and Jeff are on their way home. They will probably be very hungry and want dinner right away.
What do we have for dinner tonight?
I will make roast beef and cream of mushroom soup.
You haven't made cream of mushroom soup in a long time. Mom, do you need help?
No, you should go, do your homework and let me cook.
Thanks, Mom. Call me when it's time for dinner. I don't want to be late for roast beef, cream of mushroom soup, carrot cake, and muffins.
Jeff is getting the muffins. Don't mess with them.
Yes, Mom, I know. Just kidding.
Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.